Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel, and today we're cooking an unusual but simple dish from a cauliflower. It's going to be a cauliflower fried rice. It's vegetarian or even vegan. You can add there any ingredients that you like, and it is full of vitamins and very healthy for you. So let's start cooking. Cauliflower needs to be chopped. We can do this on a coarse grater, or we can use the food processor to pulse until the cabbage is the size of a grain of rice. Thinly cut shallots or yellow onions into half rings, set aside. Cut a clove of garlic, remove the core, chop finely. Shred sage leaves or other fragrant herbs of your choice. Cut the carrot in half and cut into thin half rings. Slice the radish for decoration. Also finely chop the chives. Now we can start cooking. Warm up the frying pan with vegetable oil. First go with the onion, garlic and sage. Fry over medium heat for a minute. Add carrots. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add cauliflower. Stir. Add thyme leaves and half of a chili pepper to vegetables if you like spicy. When the vegetables become softer, add the soy sauce and cook. Stir occasionally for a few more minutes. Season with salt and pepper if necessary. Finally, stir in the green onions and the dish is ready. Put on plates and decorate. In this recipe you can freely change vegetables and herbs as you wish and depending on the season. If you enjoyed the recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.